So don't think that you're gonna look like a gay when you use an umbrella during sunny days. No, there's a foreigner I talked before. He said he is not going to use an umbrella because why? And why Filipinos use umbrella during sunny days? But it's us. Rainy Season Survival Guide for Foreign Men and Future Expats in the Philippines. So today guys, I am lucky that after a few days of almost 10 days of raining monsoon rains, finally there's sun. So today I am going to discuss to you a lot of topics when it comes to rainy season. And some of you might think that, oh, it's not that important. Why do we have to remember that? We can just watch the news, and maybe the weather or rainy season in the Philippines is just the same here in my country. But guys, those little things that you think they are not important are actually the things that would save you from a lot of trouble, waste of time, money, frustration, because Philippines doesn't have any winter. Okay, so we don't have winter here. We don't have any blizzards. We don't have snowstorms, hailstones like that. But we have rainy season. So in number 4, which is very important, let's discuss this one. Invest in a good umbrella and raincoat. As much as possible, guys, have 2 umbrellas, one medium size and one big umbrella. Yeah, I'm not kidding. But if you don't want to wear a raincoat, it's fine as well. So if you're planning to live here, don't treat an umbrella like something you buy only when it starts raining. You will thank me later, and your umbrella will say you're welcome. So have one available. Yes, the malls are here. They have umbrellas there, but invest in a good one. I forgot the umbrella that I wanna recommend, but it's a German. Yeah, it's a German type of umbrella. But anyway, it cost about 500 pesos. So we have Shopee now. You don't have to order in Amazon. Just go to the malls like this, supermarket. They have. So the small umbrellas are very convenient when you are traveling or carrying a bag. Like you're just gonna have to go quick shopping or what, that there's light rain or drizzle. And the big umbrellas are good for windy, rainy days, guys. Yeah, believe me. Mm. Your head and your shoulders, your knees and toes will thank you later. The big umbrellas are good, especially when you're a big person. I would also recommend invest or having a decent raincoat. Yeah, especially if you are going to be commuting. For example, you are okay riding or booking a motorcycle taxi, or you walk regularly. Yeah, why not? And also, guys, umbrella is also good for sunny days. So don't think that you're gonna look like a gay when you use an umbrella during sunny days. No, it's very normal here. You won't look like what, a gay person, because I remember that there's a foreigner I talked before. He said he is not going to use an umbrella because why? And why Filipinos use umbrella during sunny days? But it's us. And it's very normal here. In number 5, we have don't underestimate the motorcycle taxis. Yes, I've done this, guys. I've been using motor taxis since 2011. So what other options do we have? It's either you wait. Yeah, you wait until you get home, wait in the line in the jeepney, or book motor taxi.